Welcome to this tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions. Please note, this topic will be covered in 5 videos to facilitate ease of understanding for taxpayers. The IT12EI return must be completed and submitted to SARS within 12 months after the financial year end of the exempt institution. Failure to submit the returns may lead to administrative penalties by SARS or impact the taxpayer's exemption status. The exempt institutions must have the annual financial statement for the applicable year to complete the return. Exempt institutions that are dormant during the reporting period are legislatively required to submit their annual returns even if they were not financially and economically active. No blank returns will be accepted. Returns must be completed in full. If the exempt institution has been dormant, an affidavit may be requested. The IT12EI return must be submitted via eFiling. To begin, access the eFiling website on sarsefiling.co.za and click on Log In. Please note, in order to access eFiling on behalf of the exempt institution, a registered representative must be activated. Registered representative changes should be processed via eFiling, SARS online query system, or by sending an email to teu@sars.gov.za. If already registered, log into your eFiling profile using your username and password. Your eFiling dashboard will open. If you're not registered on eFiling, visit our YouTube channel to view the video on how to register and manage your eFiling profile. And that concludes part 1 of how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions on eFiling. Stay tuned for part 2. SARS at your service.